Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We have another trading recap. Today is March 4th, 2021. Market had a huge sell-off and I was down $2,200 at one point and made my money back, and at the end I made around $660. And I want to explain that I'm preparing these trading recaps because these challenging days are more interesting for both myself and I think for many people to see how other people can come back from a losing trade and make their money back and become profitable. I think these days are more interesting because it shows that you should have a great mindset in order to come back from a loss without any hesitation or without losing your confidence. Amazon pushed up in the morning. In the first few minutes, it's 9:36 as you can see here, and also SPY had a huge move up in the morning. So I was watching Amazon. I only traded Amazon in the whole day. I'm just watching at my phone in order to check out the entry exits here. Here I saw Amazon cannot push higher. In 1 minute we had a huge move, and also we had a huge move in SPY. I was expecting some consolidation. I saw this triangle and I was waiting for the price to show some movement on the upside. Also, as you can see, SPY is still pushing higher and higher. Here I try to get in with anticipation of the price moving above the high of the day, which is 30.48. It's holding 30.40. And now it's pushing above 30.45. Ask is at 30.48 now. Bid is pushing above 30.44. It's getting above 30.45. It went lower. So here my stop loss was around 30.40. I was expecting some consolidation here, so I wanted to give it more time. So I was expecting it to bounce 9 EMA and move above the high of the day, but we'll see what happened. So here price didn't move above 30.44. The bid didn't move above 30.45 here. I wanted to see another push, but it didn't go higher. Usually I get out of the trade when I see some weakness in continuation. So below 30.40 is the place that I usually get out of trade. I don't want to be in the trade for too long when it's not in my favor. But today I had a meeting. I will have a meeting in like 2-3 minutes, and I was doing the other trades in the meeting inside some of the point. So here I saw the price bounced above 9 EMA. I wanted to see if it continues going higher. My stop loss was below 9 EMA. It didn't go below 9 EMA. So I'm still holding the trade. I was not in the best mindset. I had a meeting and I couldn't concentrate. It was my fault to be in the trade. I got in with 3 more contracts, again anticipating the price to go above 30.45, but it didn't. Again, I held this trade. When Amazon moves, it just runs. But these movements with these big wicks are very dangerous. I want to see it can hold above 30.40 and above 9 EMA, and I should get out of the trade if it goes below 9 EMA. It tries to retest 30.47. Ask is at 30.47, 30.48. Bid went above 30.45. It can't break 30.45. This is not a good move, and here I shouldn't be in a trade. This weak candle tricked me. I bought 2 more contracts. I was totally biased with upside move. SPY is pushing lower, but SPY was overextended, Amazon was overextended, and I was expecting SPY to bounce and go above 38.37. Here I should have been out, but I was not. I was just trying to persuade myself that it can go higher. If it can hold above 30.40, it's a good, but it pushes below 34, and now it's below 34. Bid is going lower. I should get out of the trade. Everything showcases that it will go down. Now even SPY is kind of consolidating around VWAP. Here I'm just in the trade based on hope. This is not my strategy. This trade was disaster. I was very biased with upside move. SPY didn't break this triangle. I wanted to see SPY break 383, but it didn't. SPY is pushing lower. So this is basically hope strategy. This kind of behavior in my trading happens like every 2 months, but these are kind of heads up for me that reminds me I should follow my plan. Finally trying to sell, because below 30.20 it will showcase, it will go down. I noticed that it is pushing lower and lower. SPY is below VWAP, below EMAs. Now I see the SPY is pushing pretty hard. I switched everything to puts. I bought puts. I understood that I was wrong. The whole thing was wrong after this point. Now I'm in 3 contracts, 3 put contracts. I bought at 12.38. Now I'm anticipating the price going lower. SPY is pushing, SPY volume increase. We have volume increase here. I want to see it below 30.20. My stop loss is about 30.27. It's pushing. Bid is at 30.18. Ask is holding 30.20. I want to see price below 30.18. Now price is going below 30.18. 30.18 holding. Bid is below 30.18. Sellers are so aggressive. The next level is 30.12. I'm still holding. A little bit consolidation is pretty okay. About around 30. I can hold it till 30.18. Now it pushes below 30.15 and 10 now. 30.10 is a very powerful level. I want to see how it reacts to 30.10. Oh, it breaks 30.10 now. I'm still holding 3 contracts. I'm thinking about taking some profit. I got out of 2 contracts. I'm holding one of them. Sellers still controlling the price. Here I got into 3 contracts again, and now I have 4 positions. This was not a great entry. The price was very overextended, and I will give this like 4 out of 10. This entry, I was expecting some consolidation, so I was okay with holding the trade. I held through this triangle. I have 4 positions, still 4 positions. Its price is getting below 30,008. I want to see it below 3,007 now. Wow, it pushes below 3,007 as you can see. I want to see sellers holding 3,010. Time of sales shows 3,007.8. Now want to see below 6. It went below 6. Great move, great move. The next level is 3,000. 3,000 is a huge psychological level. I don't want to be in a trade around this because I'm up pretty good. So I'm getting out of 2 of the contracts. I want to get out here because it can bounce above 3,000. It did actually. I got out of 2. I don't want to see it above 3,005. So it touches 3,000. Can't break it. Still holding. It's below 3,005. It went 3,005 and now I'm getting out of the trade. I saw another kind of flag here. I wanted to see below 3,005, 3,004 to get in. Bid is below 3,005. I want to see ask go below 3,065, and now I got in the 3 contracts, anticipating the price below 3,004. It's printing 3,004. I like these 3 weeks here, and it's still holding. Ask went to 3,006 again. Wow, now it dumps. Now it dumps. It goes 3,002. It was not that fast. It went back up again. I don't want to see it above 3,005 now, because if it doesn't go below 3,000, I don't like to stay in the trade. Now it's showing 3,001, 3,000, 3,000. Wow, that was a lot of 3,000 in time on sales. It broke 3,000. I'm in 3 contract. I got in at 18. Now price is at 20. I don't want to see it above 3,000. The ask is above 3,002. I don't want to be in a trade. I got out because Well, that was a bad fake out. It was profitable for me, so no regrets here. I got out pretty fast. After this fake out, I don't want to get in here if it goes even below 29.95 because it is so overextended. I want to see a little bit consolidation here. Okay, it is 10.3. I don't have any positions. I want to see price below 3,000. It's struggling getting below 3,000. Buyers are at 3,000. Printing 3,001. Now we had a lot of printing 3,000. I got in with 3 contracts. I want to see it below 29.97, 29.98, and not above 3,002. It's printing below 3,000. Wow, now it breaks. It is at 29.96. Ask is controlling 3,000. 29.95 is holding. I want to see if it can, yeah, it broke 29.95. I don't want to see another week here. I didn't want to hold it here, so I got out of all the 2 of the contracts here. So holding the other contract. Now it's trying to break 29.93.5. Wow, it broke 29.93. I wanted to get into more contracts here, but it was super extended. I was not comfortable getting in. I'm okay with playing with one of these contracts and holding it to see if it can break below 29.90. It's still around 29.97, 29.96. Okay, there is a triangle happening. Price still holding below 3,000, so I'm comfortable holding it. Okay, now it's pushing lower. Bid is at 29.83. Now it's pushing lower. Now it was a great move. I want to see if it can break 29.90 or not. It broke 29.90. That is a huge move, massive move. I don't want to see it gets above 29.90. Still below 29.90. Ask is controlling 29.90 now. I got this contract at 19.76. Now it's at 24. I got out of that trade because it was not that aggressive, because when I was on breaks a level, it doesn't struggle, and I didn't want to be in a trade. I had good profit and I didn't want to hold it. So if it goes below 29.85, I will get in again. But I want to see a little bit consolidation. It had a huge move from 3,005 to 29.85 in like 5 minutes. So still trying to see what Amazon does. Okay, Amazon had a huge move up. Not huge, but it was a consolidation. And now I want to see it break below 29.95 to get in a trade. Still holding around 29.92. I changed the contract to 2900 from 29.50 because I was up here and didn't want to risk more. I already had a bad first trade in the morning. I got into 3 contracts, anticipating below 29.90, expecting it to hold below 29.95. It's 10.11. Now it broke below 29.90. Premiums didn't move that much. It's 10.12 and I'm thinking about getting out of the trade. I got out of all of the 3 trades. Now here I saw prices holding below 20, almost around 29.90. I thought maybe I got out immaturely, and I was thinking about getting into the contract if it gets below this 29.88, 29.87. And I got into 3 contracts again here at price 14.45. But again, price went around 29.90, didn't come below 29.88 or around 29.87. I was not really that comfortable holding trade now, and I got out because this is not the move that I'm looking for. I want to see it breaks the level that I want to break. It didn't. It pushes higher, and Amazon already made a huge move down, and SPY is kind of consolidating, and it kind of showcases that they want to maybe touch 90 EMA or 21 EMA, I don't know. But here I lost money. Well, the last trade didn't work out. Amazon was overextended, so I should have considered that. That is all for March 4th, 2021. I totally had 7 trades. 2 losses and 5 wins. Well, the first loss was very big, $2,200. That shouldn't happen. That doesn't happen that often. But once in a while, when you don't think clearly and when you don't focus on the trade, this may happen. I didn't follow my plan in the first trade, but well, hopefully market gave me some direction and I could play. I didn't lose my confidence because I knew I was wrong. I tried to see what the market is actually doing and showcasing, and totally forgot about my idea about the trade. And I bought put instead of buying calls on Amazon. So that is basically the trade for today. Please like the video if you enjoyed the video. Also subscribe if you want to see my future videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.